Welcome to the Stoic Quotient, a movement of truth, simplicity, and power. You didn't find this channel by accident. No, life doesn't work that way. There's a reason you're here, a reason this message, this movement crossed your path today. In a world that shouts at you to chase more, to be louder, to become someone you're not, you're searching for something real, and so are we. Welcome to the Stoic Quotient, where ancient wisdom meets modern life, where philosophy becomes a living, breathing force inside you, where strength is reclaimed and clarity is reborn. At the Stoic Quotient, we don't deal in complicated theories. We don't hide behind confusing words or ivory towers. We believe the greatest truths are simple. They speak directly to your soul, without needing translation. Here, we take the philosophies that have guided warriors, thinkers, and sages for thousands of years, and we bring them down to earth. We explain them in plain language so you can understand them, feel them, and most importantly, live them. Because wisdom is useless if it stays on the page. It only matters if it becomes your way of seeing, thinking, acting, and thriving every single day. And let's be clear, this isn't just us handing down knowledge to you. This is a journey we're building together. Each message we share, each philosophy we explore, is another piece of a larger puzzle. And as you stay with us, as you listen, reflect, and apply, you'll start to feel it all coming together inside you. The fog will lift, the weight will lighten. The power you thought you had lost will return to your hands. We are not here to stand above you. We are here to walk beside you. Every insight is a stepping stone, and together, step by step, we rise. And now, maybe you're wondering, why now? Because right now, more than ever, the world is starving for truth. People are overwhelmed, anxious, lost in distractions. But for the first time in history, sharing truth is easier than ever. There was a time when wisdom traveled slowly, through mailed letters, hand-copied manuscripts, quiet conversations in candle-lit rooms. But today, with one tap, you can send a life-changing insight across the world in a heartbeat. You have the power to relay wisdom to those who need it, faster, wider, and louder than any generation before you. And maybe, just maybe, the person who needs this message is closer than you think. Maybe they're one share, one message, one moment away from a breakthrough. Don't underestimate your role in this. You're not just a viewer, you're part of the movement. So here's what we ask, stay with us, don't drift, don't disconnect. Let the insights land, let them reshape your mind, your heart, your entire way of life. And if something here moves you, share it. Be the messenger, be the spark that lights a fire in someone else's soul, because this isn't about viral videos or empty inspiration. This is about a real transformation, built one mind at a time, one heart at a time, one courageous life at a time. You've found the Stoic Quotient, where ancient philosophy becomes your everyday armor, where simplicity clears the noise, where resilience becomes your second skin. Here, you will learn to master your mind. Here, you will remember your strength. Here, you will rebuild your life from the inside out. This is your time to reclaim what the world tried to steal, your peace, your clarity, your fire. Stay with us. Don't miss a single insight. Don't scroll past the moment that could change everything. This is not just another channel. This is not just another philosophy lesson. This is your revolution. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the truth. Welcome to the Stoic Quotient. And we are just getting started. If you're ready to walk this path with us, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about. Not for us, but for the future you're about to create. The Stoic Quotient, where philosophy is not just learned, it's lived.